looking for something where she has someone that she can actually, if she's got any queries, if there is a medical emergency, if her health is not good, if she needs something urgently, having someone at the background, because she's alone.
Yeah.
It was one thing that I felt that it would be nice, like, Shawnee checks on her, right, from time to time.
Yeah.
So that sort of company she's got, like, I think since the time Shawnee has started talking to her, I feel she's a bit more independent, a bit more relaxed. I want to be there, but I've got a son, I've got a life, I've got work, I mean, it's a bit difficult for me to do every single thing. So right now I can tell her, I say, okay, why don't you ask Shawnee, ask her. She wants to find out something, ask her. I said, if you want a doctor's appointment, ask her. My mom, and my mom speaks very highly of her. I think they talk a lot. So of course the feeling of family is there. And whenever I've asked something, whenever I've asked Shawnee to do something, I think whenever my mother's asked something from Shawnee, she's always been very helpful, very forthright. She's gone ahead and done it or found the information. So I mean, I would definitely say that it's been like a family only. It's great what you guys are doing. I have a peace of mind. I honestly have, because I was really concerned, she being alone, what if something happens and with the time difference I don't pick up the call, and you guys can arrange services, you got range of services you can arrange for her. That sort of brings a little bit of a peace of mind for me. So I'm a little bit more comfortable that she's been able to develop a relationship with Shawnee. And Shawnee's also persevered and developed that relationship with my mother. Right. So for her, that's the difference I'm seeing. Like, she seems to be a bit more comfortable than what she used to be. We never thought that we'll be in COVID and we'll be stuck here and our families are, of course, half of our heart is in India and half of our heart is here. But to utilize, of course, your services, and it's good to know that Emoha is there and can take care, of our parents and if their needs. Which now I realize, being a parent, how valuable it is, because I know all this just because of my mother. Because my mother is very artistic. She's always been very artistic, and she's always been very determined, very focused, very brave, very courageous. So I'm grateful to her for everything that she's been as a mother and as a woman. And there's a lot to learn from. I'm grateful, I'm blessed, I'm thankful that she's my mother. And so we would have these moments where my grandmother, my nani, my mom, my dad, we would all sit together and listen to Lata Mangeshkar, listen to Mohammad Rafi, listen to all these, old stars, old music composers and music. I don't see half of my friends listen to it right now. And I have beautiful memories of that, because we would all sit together and we would sit for hours and hours and just listen to music, and we would be in our own world and sing songs and, peace. Emoha brings me a lot of peace of mind. I'm more at ease. Emoha, I know with Emoha that most of the things, if I ever require for my mother, I can contact you guys. I know you guys may be able to figure it out and do something about it, because you offer a range of services. So it's like that peace of mind where I can tell, I can think of, if I need something for my mother or mother is needing something, I can tell her, go and ask Shawnee, or I'll ask Shawnee, or, So it's that peace of mind, it's that contentment, it's that feeling of, okay, there's somebody there, basically. There's somebody there that I can reach out to. Whereas, earlier the feeling was, okay, who do I reach out if I need this is my specific need, how do I go about it? Right. So Emoha is that for me, basically. I'm already telling anybody coming and telling me they've got parents and they don't have much support, or they've they don't think they've got someone, I'm already recommending you guys. So yes, absolutely. I mean, I would spread the word around for you. Definitely.
Thank you.